You may proceed, Director Rosales, with your presentation. Magandang hapon po.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good afternoon, everyone. This is the proposed budget of the PIDEA. Next. Based on Executive Order number 43, series of 2011, which defines the 5 priority areas of President Aquino administration, PIDEA is under the cluster of just and lasting peace and the rule of law. PIDEA is both a law enforcement and regulatory agency responsible for the efficient and effective law enforcement of all the provisions of RA 9165. His Excellency gave his marching order to PIDEA to intensify efforts against the source of drugs to make it unaffordable to the public. To comply with the marching order of the President, PIDEA implemented 3 operational thrusts: conduct of high-impact operations, arrest of high-value targets, and strengthen anti-drug cooperation. The PIDEA new organizational performance indicators framework, which is the basis of our budget allocation and performance measure, is shown on the screen. There. So this is our organizational performance indicators framework. We have 1 MFO, which is Dangerous Drug Supply Reduction and Suppression Services. We have 1 POP, anti-drug operations, and 3 performance indicators. Next. So this is our 2015 targets based on our MFO. Next. Next. And this is our organizational structure. So we only have an approved 1,895 plantilla position to carry out the mandate of PIDEA. So practically, we only have 35 agents per region based on our plantilla. Next. And for PIDEA budget proposal, out of the 1.7 billion proposed budget of PIDEA, our recommended budget based on the National Expenditure Program is 951,662,000. And this is the breakdown of PIDEA proposed budget. 66% is intended for PS, 33% for MOOE, and 1% for capital outlay. Shown is the comparative 2014 PIDEA budget versus 2015 NEP. Under PS, we have a 5.33% increase. Under MOOE, which will support the operational activities of PIDEA, we have 1.79% increase, which only amounting to 5 million. And our capital outlay decreased by 35.43%. Practically, Your Honor, our 2015 recommended budget have only 3.37% increase from previous year, which only amounted to 31 million additional budget. And majority of this goes to PS. On our operational fund, we only have an increase of 5 million from 2014 budget. Next. In closing, the PIDEA would like to assure the body of our commitment to prudent and wise utilization of our resources, while we are striving to improve the quality of life of the Filipino people and to promote just and lasting peace through a drug-free country in the near future. That ends my presentation, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Senator Poe is recognized.
Lisa Catlak, how much usually is your, how much do your agents get on average for salary a month? Let's say a new agent and then a senior agent.
The entry salary for intelligence agent 1 is 18,000 euro per month, euro.
18,000, and the maximum is for an agent?
49,000 per month, euro.
When you had this drug bust in Pampanga, I'm sure you've had informants, and I would be, I would expect that you also would give them a certain reward, right? So you were able to to provide rewards for those that gave you the information?
Pursuant to our Operation Private Eye, Your Honor, we can give a maximum of 2 million pesos to an informant, Your Honor, regardless of, in spite of the very high volume.
So if you have 3 informants, they have to split it among themselves if all of them led to the capture, the arrest of...
Yes, Your Honor, because it will depend on that there is only one operation, regardless of the number of informants.
Did you appeal for a higher reward system? I think we've discussed this before.
Your Honor, we are just sourcing it from our intelligence fund.
So there's really none that's allocated specifically for rewards?
None, Your Honor.
On that point, sir, may intelligence fund, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Saan?
Under MOOE, Your Honor, confidential and intelligence.
Ay, 73,600,000.
Yes, Your Honor.
Confidential expenses.
Do you have any recent updates on the Mexican drug cartel, Sinaloa? Are we able to contain them after that revelation and capture of certain partners here?
Your Honor, there is no monitored activity of the group as of this day.
I guess that's good news. About our ports, any news on other countries like Nigeria perhaps operating here now?
We have West African groups operating in the Philippines, Your Honor. But as for the Mexican Sinaloa, we just had a conference with our counterparts from the Mexican government yesterday, and they briefed us that there is indeed a new grouping that was activated in Mexico, which will operate specifically in the Asia Pacific, US and Mexico areas.
They've also given you leads and tips on how to be able to prevent them from coming here?
Yes, Your Honor, and we also provided them some information as to the operations that were conducted by PIDEA and the PNP so that they can also help us.
What happened to the safe house that was being used by the Sinaloa drug cartel here? And the ones that were captured, are there ongoing cases? I haven't been keeping track of them.
Yes, Your Honor, the cases have been filed in court, and the place where we arrested the suspects actually is a farm that belongs to the family of Leviste.
But they have no liability in this case, right? There's no...
Your Honor, based on the joint investigation conducted by PIDEA and the PNP, the owners are not liable because Gary Tan leased the area as a cap farm.
Would you be able to also say if our Section 21 amendment has actually helped you in your recent operations?
Your Honor, with all due respect, we are still completing the guidelines that we're supposed to prepare in coordination with our partners from the PNP, the NBI, and the Bureau of Customs. We're starting to get their input so that we can report this to the Dangerous Drugs Board.
Okay, maybe we should speed it up so that it will also make your jobs easier. And if you have any suggestions on how we will be able to support the department, perhaps for next year's budget or whatever is immediately needed to provide incentives for more informants, please let us know.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's all, Mr. Chair. Thank you and congratulations again, Yusek Catlac.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Senator Paul. Yusek, just some questions. Based on the hard copy of your presentation, seizure of cocaine, 2013, 12. Ano po itong 12 kilograms, no?
Yes, Your Honor.
Walang page po kasi yung ano yun. Wala pong page eh, kaya I will not refer you to. In 2013, 12 kilos.
Yes, Your Honor.
In 2014, as of September, a jump to 69.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's a more than 600% jump.
Yes, Your Honor, because we were able to recover 68.71 kilos in Davao City in a an empty container van.
I asked you this question, sir, in the last budget hearing. Gaano na kalakas at kalaki ang penetration ng cocaine sa ating bansa? You made mention of the Mexican drug cartel earlier.
The Mexican drug cartel, Your Honor, is smuggling shabu, not cocaine, Your Honor.
Wala pang cocaine? Saan galing itong cocaine dito?
Based on initial investigation, Your Honor, it passed through, initially came from Ecuador, the container van, and passed through about 8 countries. The last foreign country was in Hong Kong before it landed in Manila port. It was unloaded and then moved to Davao. When it was in Davao, Your Honor, it's act of God, the ceiling collapsed and we discovered the cocaine.
Sir, again, I would just like to make a record and tell you again my worry. Yung shabu, wala pa masyadong patayan yun, pero pag pumasok ang cocaine dito sa laki ng pera, patayan na yan tulad ng nangyayari sa ilang parte sa Latin America, din sa Mexico. And if possible, can you submit to us a more comprehensive report on cocaine, its presence, and your projections on its entry in the country in the future?
Yes, Your Honor. Our monitoring on the ground is that most of the drug users are still prefer shabu, Your Honor.
Now, another page in your presentation, HVTs arrested by PIDEA and OLEAS. Ano pong ibig sabihin ng HVT?
High value targets, Your Honor.
OLEA?
By other law enforcement agencies that includes PNP, NBI, and the Bureau of Customs, Your Honor.
Now, may nakalagay dito, Celebrity 1. Sino po yun?
He is, I think, an entertainer who was arrested in Clark.
Who? Are there any confidentiality rules? I don't think so.
We can give you the name, Your Honor. They were having pot session and they were chanced upon by our agents.
Sino po?
Mr. Kit Thompson Isan Esteban.
Celebrity po siya?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano po siya? Sorry po
He's,
Anong pelikula na nagawa niya?
he's an actor and a TV series, Your Honor, in ABS-CBN.
What's his screen name? That's his real name. Sabihin nito, sir, hindi na ako nanonood eh. Sa GMA 7 ako nanonood eh. Anyway, sir. Government officials arrested. As of September 2014, 40 elected officials. Ranging from what to what position, sir?
Ranging from Barangay Kagawad, Your Honor, Barangay Captain, and some municipal officials.
Can you submit to us the list of these officials, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. We will submit the list, Your Honor. But we have here the breakdown. Barangay Captain, 7. Barangay Kagawad, 32. And 1 municipal councilor, Your Honor, from ARMM.
Mamaya, i-remember po yung budget natin. Government employees as of September 2014, 57. Anong klase mga opisyal po ng gobyerno to?
As for government employees, Your Honor, we have 57, Your Honor.
Like, anong klaseng opisyal? 57? No,
Yes,
you only have 28, sorry, 57, yes.
Yes,
Ano,
sir.
what positions? Just give us an idea, sir.
In 2014, Your Honor,
Yes.
some AFP personnel, 8. Bureau of Fire, 1. BJMP, 5. PNP, 14. And
Hindi, iba pa yung law enforcement niya. Law enforcement niya is 28.
Your Honor, if I may be given a chance to look at our data, we have the details
just submit it to us, sir. Just for us to know. You have it?
Yes, Your Honor. Public school teachers, we have 6. Engineer, 2. Medical practitioners, 5. And some religious leaders, 2.
I was about to go to that later, but I'll go to that. Government officials arrested. As of September 2014, 127 as against your data of 138 in 2013. So you project we will exceed the number of arrests in 2013 on the part of government officials?
That is our priority target, Your Honor, high-value targets. We believe that we need to prioritize the conduct of law enforcement against personalities who are in government, because they are suspected also protecting the drug trade, Your Honor.
The reason why I'm asking for a list is I want to find out from relevant government agencies what the status of dismissal and administrative cases filed against them are as of the present. That's why I'm asking for the names.
Yes, Your Honor. We'll submit the names, Your Honor.
Now, sir, status of drug cases. 101,583 drug cases filed nationwide from 2002 to 2014. 82% are unresolved and only 18% have been resolved, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Of those resolved, 72% resulted in dismissal or acquittal. And only 27% were convicted.
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you tell us why, sir, for the record?
Your Honor, with all due respect, this has already improved over the years, but
It's not enough, sir.
it's still low, Your Honor, because
What's the reason, sir?
we have identified certain specific reasons for this, Your Honor, including failure on the part of some arresting officers to testify. There are also insufficiency of evidence.
Would it also have been affected by the stringent Section 21 rule, which we eased and amended recently?
Yes, Your Honor, you're correct, because some of the cases were dismissed based purely on technicality. Death of the accused, Your Honor, lack of probable cause, reasonable doubt, non-presentation of vital witnesses. These are some of those.
Sinong palpa? I mean,
to be very frank, Your Honor,
Yes, we should all be frank.
we need to improve the competency of our law enforcement officers also. And
such chain of custody? Is that where the problem lies?
Your Honor, with the amendment of Section 21, we will be able to solve our difficulties.
What about the remaining balance? All of this is attributed to the correction made in Section 21?
There is also a problem on our personnel not attending the court duties, Your Honor, so that's why we are PNP.
That was addressed already by the law, right?
Yes, Your Honor, because we're charging them for not attending court duties.
So you think this is intentional?
At times, Your Honor, there are simultaneous court duties being attended to. That's why we're advising them to notify the court if there is a schedule, a conflict in the schedule, so that they will not be made to explain by the court.
But sir, I've practiced before I entered Congress. That's not a reason to dismiss the case unless it's been going on for about 2 or 3 years.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anyway, proceeding, sir. You mentioned religious leaders. Dalawa. User pa, hindi user. Sino po ito?
Our regional director in the National Capital Region, I think, arrested an imam in Quezon City with 5 kilos of shabu in a buy-bust operation.
The other one,
The other one is a pastor, Your Honor.
pastor ng ano po?
Evangelical church, Your Honor.
Kindly submit us the names too, sir.
Yes, Your Honor, we will comply, Your Honor.
May kaso ba itong mga to? Nakakulong, nakalaya, isa sa mga na-dismiss?
They are all detained, Your Honor.
Now, strengthening of the reward program. Yung reward po niyo binibigay, sinacharge sa confidential expenses, yung binanggit niyo kaninang 73,600,000?
Yes, Your Honor. Last year, we released about 18 million pesos as a reward money for informants.
80 million?
18 million, Your Honor.
18.
Yes, Your Honor. This year, as of June, we have already, released 9 million. And we
Yung
expect to...
Sige pa.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung balance ng confidential expenses niyo, saan po napupunta?
It's being used to fund our case operation plan, Your Honor.
Basically, yung operations ng PIDEA.
Yes, Your Honor. We also provide assistance to our partners in the PNP, NBI, and Bureau of Customs, Office of Transportation Security.
OTS.
Yes, Your Honor. We share it with other government agencies so that they can feel that there is our government is really sincere in addressing the drug problem, and that PIDEA, even with the limited resources, can provide a little assistance to help
Not really
them.
the details, sir, but can you give us the breakdown of this in broad strokes? Meaning, ano yung napupunta sa reward? Ano yung mapupunta sa assistance sa ilang government agencies, whether it's OTS, BID, BI? Sir?
Yes, Your Honor, we will submit the list.
Now, sir, the 11,463,000 na CO, saan po ito? Anong bibili nyo? You have an 11,463,000 capital outlay.
It's going to be used to buy additional vehicles for PIDEA, Your Honor, and protective gear for our agents, Your Honor, like bulletproof vest.
Ilang kotse po?
3, Your Honor.
Anong klase po?
We normally buy SUV, Your Honor. Isuzu, Toyota Innova, Crosswind.
Now, the 200,399,000 MOE under MFO1, dito na po nakakarga yung confidential expenses nyo. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kindly submit to us, sir, your proposed budget to DBM as proposed by you,
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
so that we can look into it if we can find some fiscal space.
Yes, Your Honor.
As suggested by Senator Poe earlier, we will consider augmenting from any other item in the budget we might find excessive. So kindly submit that also.
Yes, Your Honor. If I may, Your Honor, can I just make a statement?
Yes, sir.
We have actually a problem with our facility because this was turned over to us by the defunct EIIB of the Department of Finance. And the original amount that was supposed to be paid to the NHA is only 114 million. But now it has ballooned to 828 million because of our inability to request for funding from DBM, Your Honor. We fear that
What's that for interest and penalties?
there is supposed to be just a transfer of property, but we're confused how to handle this, Your Honor, because DBM did not allocate.
No, but the increase in amount is because of penalties and interest?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is this for your rental of the lot or for the purchase?
For the purchase, Your Honor, we're supposed to pay
How much again, sir? It ballooned to?
828 million, Your Honor.
How big is this?
That's
Since
from
when?
1999, Your Honor.
You were supposed to pay them in 1999.
2003, Your Honor, 114 million.
Ba't di pa kayo pinapalayas dyan?
That's why we requested DBM to allocate the 114 million because this is the basic amount that we were supposed to pay, and that I think there is a policy that among government entities, you're not supposed to impose interest.
So since 2003 or 11 years ago,
Yes, Your Honor.
since 1999 or 15 years ago,
Yes, Your Honor, but PIDEA was only activated in 2002. But, yes.
so from what year, sir?
2000.
The 114 million is since June of 1999, Your Honor.
And then insofar as you're concerned, since when have you been occupying the building?
June of 2002, Your Honor.
So 12 years na po kayo dyan?
Yes, Your
Hindi
Honor.
kayo nagbabayad?
We are not an income generating.
Hindi kayo pinapalis?
We fear that one day we might be
Tingin ko hindi pa ho yan, okay lang yan.
Teka muna, so from 114 million ngayon, because of fees and interest, 800 million na.
Yes, Your Honor, 828 million.
Please send us your explanation of that on how you understand it so that we can also find out what's happening here.
Give us a copy, sir. Secretariat is directed to communicate with the NHA and inquire about the status of this and why it ballooned to that much and if it will be paid. Magkano yung compromise payment to clean up their books? Because NHA needs to clean up its books as well, sir.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Noted. Noted. Conditioned upon the submission of the documents requested by the Chair and by Senator Poe earlier, the proposed budget of PIDEA for 2015 is hereby recommended to plenary for its final approval and deliberations insofar as the committee is concerned. The same is hereby approved. Congratulations, sir. Thank you.